Alright, so welcome back. In today's video, I have an interesting lot to unbox for you. So, let's get into unboxing it. That side's easier to open. Appears we... I'm kind of surprised that all the stuff I ordered actually came today. Here's some... So, yeah, I'm just going to start pulling things out of the box. Pulling the box itself off to the side. Everything inside the box. I think I'm going to just start with unraveling this. Just a whole bunch of random steel track. Next, I think I'll just open up this. Here's a cheap Union Pacific caboose. It looks like a Tyco. I'll probably never use it. Here's a nice piece. It does look kind of cheap, but it's just really nice looking. It just looks interesting. I like it. Let's open up this one. So here we have this interesting boxcar, as well as this Burlington gondola. I'm going to move all this out of the way. There's also a couple random parts here. I think this is for whatever Mahano train set it came with. Now here is the real reason I bought this entire lot. This entire lot itself is $27, but this was something I've been eyeing forever. Nobody ever bought it. It was this lot, $27, and it had this great sd40-2 in it, which I really like. It's an RSO AHM locomotive, and it claims to run. It claimed it had a bit of handrail damage. I think that was just right there. So this is an amazing looking locomotive. So let's go over to the track and see how it runs. Okay, so here's the engine all set up on the track. And before we go, I know people will be saying I shouldn't do this on carpet. It's just really the only place I have that I can set up a small little test track here. Not at the house where my other test track is, so I just have to test it like this. So, the people claim this engine ran, but they didn't say how well it ran. I think it'll run okay, but be a bit noisy. So, let's see if I'm correct or not. See how it goes in forward. So yeah, that's basically just about what I was expecting of this engine. I think with some oiling and stuff, we might be able to get it working a bit better. We can go pretty reasonably slowly. Let's see, can it do that going forward? It can, but it makes a lot of noise doing that. So I'd like to thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.